Hi, I'm Matt. Do you want to learn how to code, but you're not sure where to begin? Or maybe you're a parent with a student who would love to write code. Then this is the course you've been looking for. This course has been designed to teach Python programming to absolute beginners. Students as young as 5th grade have successfully completed the entire course. Following my step-by-step videos, you'll create fun and entertaining programs and learn core programming skills along the way. This course is packed with over 10 hours of video content. You'll make your computer talk, create fun 2D graphics, and we'll cap the course off with a fun arcade-style space game complete with animation, keyboard controls, and sound effects. All you need is a Mac or PC and a little curiosity. I even offer a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? Sign up and start your programming journey right now.